Hey guys, thanks for joining me today on this video. We're going to be installing the rear brake upgrade to the car. Big shout out to ProSpeed Racing for the Torque Solutions kit. We're putting on the G3 or GD 4-pot front, which we already done, and now we're doing the rear. We needed these adapters to actually make them fit. So you got a 14mm bolt right here. I'm going to use a 14 socket to take it out. And then you're going to need some bolts here to push out the hub. But what we're going to do first is we want to see if the caliper and the adapters fit over before we change the disc over. Cool. Alright, so we're going to be using the original disc with the new caliper here. A lot of people change them out. If you change them out, you're going to need to bend this back, but we're not going to do that. With these adapters here, we needed to take a little bit off this side here so they can actually push on properly and line up. The adapters were out just a little bit as well. We needed to re-drill through here to make them centered with the new calipers here. We're going to put them Loctite on them, and we're going to do them up. Alrighty, okay, so we did the fronts a couple days ago. Here they are. Went on with not a problem. The discs are from a GD as well, same 5x100 star pattern, everything bolted up, easy peasy, no problems with the fronts. The rears on the other hand, little bit of a fuck around, a little bit. I'm using the standard discs that come with the G3s. A lot of people are saying that you can change the disc over to, you know, a BRZ1 that'll fit the handbrake shoes. That's all good and true. Alternatively, you can just go with a you know, G3 slotted rotor, upgraded slotted rotor. Who cares? The brackets in here were a little bit of fuck around to get onto and thread in, but eventually we got them. We had to drill out a hole just because the powder coating was stopping the bolts from lining up with the actual caliper. No dramas there, we just drilled it out, maybe about, you know, it's negligible, maybe about 1 millimeter, but they sit pretty good. So yeah, I fucked this up a little bit. I had to put it in a vise, but the other side is pretty good anyway. The stickers are going to come off. She brakes really good. So standard lines and everything like that. The next upgrade we'll probably go with is a master cylinder brace, probably the Cusco one. get that from Pro Speed. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Thanks for joining us on the video today.